Can I sacrifice my life for Palestine and charge?
Yeah, you can. Go for
What
it.
I do?
Go.
Only if you take
No.
Go
only
for
if
it.
you take 3 with
Go
you
on.
or 2 other
Go on.
guys.
Go.
This one
He's inside the 3 men. He can do it.
Alright, 3 is already moving out. Everyone else stay back.
Perhaps we should go to the other side of this fence.
I mean, our allies did the same and they got fucking wrecked.
Oh, they're
Ow!
charging us.
They went into
Run
melee,
away! Run away!
They're charging! Shoot them! Oh, they're on the open!
We have successfully baited them.
Good job. 1
Nikki,
kill.
that-
Need more though.
Nikki,
How did I
how did that
miss?
hit you?
I don't know.
Oh, look at that. There's more of them.
They are approaching from the
Shoot them as they
west.
form up.
299.
Ow!
Easy shot.
In this case?
I have. They are leaving.
Sorry,
Shoot them
what?
as they run.
I'll go for a second.
Yeah, shoot him.
Oh, I hit him but didn't kill him.
Here they come.
Can we ever have a backgammon board
Alright,
formation?
everyone stop. Point and
Go.
I mean,
Alright, there's
that's
a
an
melee.
order.
Everyone take advantage of it. Shoot.
Pop it off.
Oh, I hit somebody but didn't kill him. Can we go for those rocks? Be a bit better cover.
You think we'll get better cover on those rocks?
I think I will.
But noted.
Can I take Nikki and the other red coat? Who's this guy? Figgled?
Yeah.
I like that they
Oh,
call us
come
the
on,
red
Vicky,
coat
let's
instead of
go.
red shirt.
Come on, red coats. Come on.
Up and over.
Yeah, they're Brit boys.
Alright, you got everyone going, so I gotta go
Oh,
too.
Yeah, it's my regiment now.
Aku's never been faster.
Just
I
get
see
down,
cannons.
guys.
Those weren't
Guys, if you
friendly.
come out to the far right over here, you can see it's an entire line side on. Yeah, come along, my fellow red coat. Let's go.
I see the friendlies.
Yeah, down the road. literally
Anime,
down the road,
don't
right
FOL.
I'm firing on a tree. So
What you can do is you just walk the fence like a Mexican, aim down the road, and then you see
Everyone
them right there, and you get another kill.
on this little on the stone wall right here. You got a good angle on them. Looks like the enemy sharpshooters.
Yeah. Now this is why I'm the advisor around here.
Just because we're hiring you to help out with the men, don't mean you gotta take your place among the staff.
we lost a round.
Just to clarify, when am I getting paid? It's been 3 months I haven't been paid yet.
I think they're trying to kill us.
You're getting paid with our special foreign advisor premium
Oh,
plan.
come on, I hit that. What's the
Wow.
plan?
Why don't we charge in the cornfield?
Melee charge him.
Oh, God,
Okay, looks like we're gonna be the ones to save the day.
Alright.
Watch me get put
Oh,
down.
okay.
Hold on.
no.
Everyone get your reloads in. Fire at that new line coming in.
Yeah.
So what you're saying is we become Finnish sharpshooters.
Yes, we become like Finland.
Just
Dip,
use your whole
requisition us some skis.
Yeah.
Do you think we're gonna be a lot more faster in this non-snowy terrain?
Oh,
Not
we're
too
out there,
Thorn?
sir.
Alright, you
I'm
last
scared.
few,
No, wait,
last
wait,
few fall back at D. Fall back at D.
Okay. Running.
And they can't do anything.
On the left there. Easy go.
Was on the left.
Yeah.
Thanks.
How much do you have to pay to get that feature?
I've been stabbed.
It's in
help me.
miscellaneous.
What?
You were like running back towards us.
Because I wanted to get killed.
Well, I guess since you're all doing that, I'll stay here and guard then.
Oh,
Good
Yeah,
luck.
I'm guarding at the moment.
sacrifices are made early.
You guys
Yeah,
were
they're
the,
all charging from the left side now.
It's okay. You guys were the distraction I needed to get to F point.
Like how
All I
was
see
the
is that
first
you
one to
are.
die enemy.
Get him,
About
Dip.
to run low on ammo.
I need ammo. Need ammo.
Make quiet.
Two.
You Dip, killer, lols. Should we go up and just push the fence a little bit, keep them a little bit busy?
Seeker, I believe in you. Get
I'll
him.
move up.
Yeah.
Can you come to D and put down some sharp ammo? 'Cause I'm
Those
running
weren't the
out.
people I'm talking about, anime. I was talking about Cam and Wellet.
Ready? 3,
Sacrifices must be made.
2.
Keep
What
going,
is this
Cake.
regiment?
Let's
Like
go.
the Cult of sacrifice or something.
It was worth it, Cake. You got us a reload.
Yeah.